Today I want to show you guys this blower duster. The brand sent it to me to make a video. As you guys can see, it has this protection on the back, and the way it works, you just press and hold couple seconds, it will activate. Once it's active, you will see the light up, and this is work like a gear. As you push this through, it will start blowing more air, and it has bunch of different nozzles. You have different adapters, and it has with the brush as well, so works really well. You can see, you can easily swipe, very easy operation. Let's go ahead and see how powerful this is. This can dust your computer, your keyboards, inside the fan, so works really well. I just wanted to show you guys how powerful this is. It can even blow uh, like the leaves. You can see has really nice decent power, even like without uh, getting too close. It is able to push through those leaves, so works really well. You can see, if we get closer, you will see it's just able to push everything. So really nice if you are going to the beach, and this can also work really nice, like dusting all those sand, and like dusting your car, computer, keyboard, and whatever other electronics device you might be using. Really nice, very powerful. You can also adjust the level of the speed like this, and you can also go up. So really nice, really decent unit. I hope you guys found this useful.